Welcome back, everyone. We're going to go over this Stage 1 turbo for you 6.0 POWERSTROKE guys from KC Turbos. So who's this turbo for? Well, if you've got a 6-liter and it's running well, congratulations. I'm proud of you. And if you've got a 6-liter that's running well, chances are you want some more power out of it, which means you're in the right place. This particular turbo from KC is going to be their Stage 1, and it comes in two different options. You've got a 10 blade and a 14 blade. The 10 blade is going to be louder than the 14 blade. So I've yet to meet a 6.0 guy that's trying to quiet down their truck, so the 10 blade is going to be for you. As far as what it comes with, everything you see here comes in the box. We've got all the gaskets and O-rings, spacers, and hardware. Plus, they also include install instructions. They include about how to get a hold of them, and it actually has Garrett basic troubleshooting in there as well. You get a sticker, and you get the good kind of sticker too. I know it doesn't sound like a big deal, but for me, these type of stickers, these are the only type of stickers I like. This does come with the actuator in there already, so you don't need to use your old one or buy a new one. And it comes ready to install. Make sure you pre-lube it though, because you always need to pre-lube in turbos. Let's say you've done the basics on your truck already. You've got your intake, you've got your tuner, you've got your exhaust, and now it's time to really kind of take it up to that next level. Well, this turbo is going to work really well for you guys that are trying to just kind of kick it up a notch. As far as injector sizing goes, this is going to work well for you stock size injectors all the way to you 155cc injector guys. This is still going to tow well, still going to daily drive well, and still get EGT control. You can run this with 175cc injectors. However, you may find that on the higher horsepower tune, or if you're towing, you may run into some EGT issues just because this is a little small for a 175cc injector. This does drop in exactly where the stock turbo was, so you can use your same downpipe, your same cold air intake, all the same hookups and everything there. So really easy installation. It does also come with the actuator on there since this is still a VGT style turbo, which means if you have that stock factory style exhaust brake, this will still work on there for you. So if you have any questions on this turbo, I want to make sure it's right for you. We've got plenty of ways to reach out to us. You can find us on the Facebook, Instagram, all that kind of social media stuff. We've got the live chat feature on the website. We also got phone sales techs on the phone, ready to take your call and give you the best advice you've ever had. They are available 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Pacific time, Monday through Friday, and that phone number is 888-993-4373. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.